If you're wondering how to analyze quiz results in Outgrow, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about reviewing your quiz results using Outgrow, a powerful tool for creating engaging interactive content. Whether you're using it for lead generation, data collection, or boosting customer engagement, Outgrow makes analyzing results both intuitive and valuable. First off, to analyze quiz results, you'll need to head to the Analytics tab in your Outgrow dashboard. Here, you'll find detailed data about how users interacted with your quiz, the answers they selected, and overall performance metrics. This is the heart of your results analysis and offers you a breakdown of user engagement, completion rates, and more. You can quickly see how many people took your quiz, how many completed it, and where users dropped off. This is vital information for optimizing your quizzes to keep your audience engaged. The completion rate is a key indicator of how well your quiz is performing and can guide you in tweaking it for better results. Now, the answers section is where the magic really happens. Outgrow allows you to see the answers users selected, broken down by each question. This data is essential because it lets you identify trends, preferences, and pain points within your audience. You can even filter responses by different segments or time periods, which is particularly useful if you're running multiple campaigns or quizzes at once. Understanding these results can help you tailor your future marketing strategies. Another really powerful feature is the Leads section. If you're using your quiz for lead generation, this part will show you who filled out the quiz, along with the data they submitted. You can export this list directly to your CRM or email marketing platform to follow up with high-quality leads. It's a seamless integration that saves you time while giving you access to the most relevant data you need to convert those leads. What's great about analyzing quiz results in Outgrow is how customizable the data is. You can even segment responses by variables like demographics, behavior, or specific answers to questions. This level of granularity allows you to create hyper-targeted follow-up campaigns based on specific user interests. If you want to dive even deeper, Outgrow also integrates with Google Analytics, allowing you to track how users engage with your quiz and where they came from. By combining the data from Outgrow and Google Analytics, you get a 360-degree view of your quiz's performance, helping you fine-tune your marketing efforts. To make this process even easier, Outgrow offers detailed reports that you can download and share with your team. These reports can show you not just raw numbers, but also actionable insights, helping you to constantly improve your quizzes for better engagement and higher conversion rates. Finally, I have some exciting news. If you're new to Outgrow and want to give it a try, you can use this software for free through the exclusive link in the description below. With our extended free trial, you'll have access to all the features I mentioned in this video, giving you the perfect opportunity to start analyzing quiz results and boosting your business. By using Outgrow to analyze your quiz results, you're not just gaining insights. You're getting the tools you need to make smarter, data-driven decisions. Don't forget to check out the exclusive link below to get started today and unlock your full potential with Outgrow's amazing analytics features. Make sure you act fast to take advantage of the bonus offer and start your journey toward better quiz performance now.